I'm making a chicken mayo sandwich with a twist. And I'm starting out by chopping some celery. Just really finely, but you know, you can go a bit more rough. But for that to mix in with all our other ingredients, it's important to really give it a good chop. You want it nice and fine. Okay, that should do it. It just goes in there. And then a small little red onion. I'm going to chop that up as well. So these are nice and sweet, and the texture, again, also makes a good difference. So it's flavor and texture once again. Okay. So we all can agree that leftover roast chicken works the best for chicken mayo sandwich, and this is what I have. Beautiful flaked roast chicken. That's going to go in there. Just give that a quick mix. Okay, and now just for our mayonnaise, I'm going to flavor this as well. So I'm adding some chicken spice and peri-peri. If you're making this for your kids, you can always use paprika as well. So I'm adding it to the mayonnaise, and again, by doing that, the flavors of the spices just actually develop so much better. So it just rehydrates again, and already you can smell it in there. And then I'm just gonna add to our chicken mixture here. And again, I'm gonna give this a good stir. Maybe it's a good idea to taste. Just a bit of salt. Great. So I can taste that nice heat in there. And that chicken spice just gives it an extra kick as well. It's a very good combination, especially with the mayonnaise. So now for the bread, I'm using this beautiful seed loaf. Just gonna cut off 2 pieces. Cut 2 beautiful slices like that. Chicken goes on top. Flatten it a little bit. And then I'm gonna add some of this beautiful rocket leaves just on top. And that's it, really. Now I can taste. Mmm.